All right, here we go. This one's gonna break the internet right here. 2011 Ford Econoline E350 XLT Norcal Max Handicap wheelchair conversion van, 9-inch lowered floor, high top, UVL wheelchair lift, power side electric doors, fully loaded, 15,000 original miles. This thing is insane, and it has a 6.8 liter V10. It's a one-of-a-kind van, and it came from Northern California its entire life. Condition is outstanding. 15,000 miles. All the original paperwork, the original build, everything comes with the van. Power side entry doors, raised side entry doors, maximum height going in, 9-inch drop floor all the way through. Does have hand controls. Does have an easy lock. Q-strength tie-down system. Thing's insane. 15,000 original miles, clean Carfax. You know where to find us. 954-561-2499. Give us a like, give us a follow. You won't find another van like this. We can ship anywhere in the world. We're Brawnability certified. We service and check every single van that comes through our shop. We are a Brawn dealer. If you have any questions or concerns, give us a call. This thing has a maximum height inside. Inside that box right there is all the original paperwork from when the van was bought new. I'm standing up all the way in the van, and there's still probably a couple inches. I'm 5'10". Navigation, factory navigation. Got all your paperwork, receipts for the tires. The tires are good. Navigation. You got your ramp controls here. 15,783 miles. The van is running right now, as you can see. Running perfectly smooth. No issues whatsoever. 15,000 miles. Brawn UVL 750-pound wheelchair lift. As you can see, it does have the 9-inch drop. There's a few stains on the carpet just from age. Otherwise, this thing is like new. Inside now, 15,000 miles, clean Carfax, no issues whatsoever. It's like a brand new van. Nobody has one of these anywhere. We have the best vans in the world. There's a little bit of discoloration on the gray door panels on each side here where the door opens. Otherwise, trying to point out anything I can. The exterior is pretty near flawless. All the equipment is working and functioning properly. Tires are like new condition. Again, 15,000 miles. Super nice. The paint on the roof is like new. Look at this thing. Not a drop of rust anywhere. Laser straight down the sides. Look inside here. No undercoating on there. Like brand new. Got some nice side steps. Big time drop floor. Got your hand controls set up. Again, 15,783. It is a 6.8 liter V10. Came from California. Does have a magnetic tail light as well. There's your spare. All the original paperwork comes with it. Got storage compartments up in the roof. Dual air conditioning. Extra seat belt comes with it. Tie downs. Does have the brake controller and a heavy duty tow package. Factory. Show you how the wheelchair lift works. Maximum door entry there. Anybody can fit in and out of this guy. Can't find these anymore. They don't make them. This is about the best you'll find anywhere in the world. 15,000 miles. don't hesitate to give us a call at 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. You know, SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. We're a certified bronability dealer. If you don't like this one, we can get you a new one. Just let us know how we can help you. Shipping anywhere in the world. If you're local, or if you're down here in Boca Raton or surrounding area, you need service, you know who to call. Give us a like, give us a follow. Look at this beautiful thing. Thank you.